Hello, my friends. Welcome to Grungy Haunted Mansion Collaboration. My friend Carol at Recrafted by Carol and I are doing this collab. You're welcome to join in if you'd like to. And today I'm going to be making very simple belly bands that I'm going to be putting in the journal. I've got some offcuts here that I'm working with. I'm working on reducing the scraps that I collect up during projects. So I'm going to use my offcuts to create the belly bands. I think that will help me reduce scraps. I think that will help me keep the process of making the belly bands very simple because I'm just working with a limited number of things. Now, along with the offcuts, I also have a part of the scrapbook kit that had, there's a page and it'll have like strips. Well, there's some of those too. So I've got the offcuts and the strips, and that's mainly what we're going to work with today. These are going to be super simple belly bands. If you've not made belly bands or you're new to junk journaling or creating handmade journals, or even you can put these belly bands on top of tags if you're making an interactive tag. This is just a super simple way to do it. Just add some layers and then move on with your life. It doesn't have to be, a 3-hour project to make belly bands. We're going to make 4 today. And as you can see, I have them cut to size in length. And now I'm just going to glue them. And I'm going to put the glue on all at the same time. I work with Aleene's Tacky Glue, so I have a little bit of time to do that, and that way it'll just make it quicker. I just get the glue on there and then flip them over and put them in place. When I cut these to the proper length that I needed, I ended up with these little tiny scraps. So I've decided to go ahead and use those to embellish the belly bands. Something that I feel really good about is that I'm completely using an entire scrapbook pack working on this journal, and that makes me very excited because it sometimes takes me a while to get through my scrapbook packs, but I'm using this one up completely. So since I'm using it up, I definitely don't want scraps. So I think it's perfect to just cut these to size. I use my decorative edge scissors on the edges just to give them a little bit of texture. I went ahead and inked them with the purple ink. And now I'm going to decide where on the belly bands I want these small pieces. And I think I'm going to do, on 2 of them, I'll put them in the center. And on 2 of them, I think I'm going to put them at the top. And then we'll go from there and see if we need to add anything else. Now I'm going to grab some ephemera from my digital kit, Haunted Mansion, and I'm going to use that to further embellish these belly bands. I think I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that Carol is using her digital kit, which is called Shabby Grunge, and I'm using my digital kit, which is called Haunted Mansion. I will have both of them listed in my description box, so you can grab those if you'd like to and play along with us, or do your own thing. So to the first belly band, I attached a hourglass, and now I'm just adding my clothespins just to hold that down while it dries. And on this one, I'm going to go ahead and add a moth. And this also obviously is part of my digital kit. And I'm adding it to the one here that has the spiders and the black roses on it. And so I'm going to just pop that right in the center. Two down and two to go. So for these two, I'm trying to figure out how I want to make it work. So I put the scrap pieces up at the top. So I'm trying to figure out, should I put the ephemera over top of the scrap pieces or below the scrap pieces? So I'm just playing with a few more pieces from the kit and deciding what I want to do. I've decided that I'm going to use this faux stamp, and I'm going to put it right in the center of that scrap piece that had the spiders on it. And for this next one, I'm going to go ahead and grab the ephemera that's got the flowers on it, and I'm going to trim that up a little bit. I will ink the edges with the purple ink, and I'm going to put that over top of the snakes, although a little bit of the snakes will still show. Friends, I'm very excited to share with you these finished belly bands. They're simple. I've got no scraps left over. I feel so good about that, and they're ready to go in my journals. I really appreciate you guys spending a little time with me. I hope that you guys are getting in the fall spirit. I was really looking forward to doing some fall crafting, and this collab has helped me to just jump right into it, and I'm enjoying it very much. Thanks for watching. See you soon.